Hi, I'm Maxi. Welcome to a new episode of Fitness Kitchen. Do you guys know that this couple of months McDonald's has been selling a matcha soy milk pie in mainland China and Hong Kong, and it has been quite a hype. I've heard many people speaking highly of it after trying it. I think a major reason may be that it's not that sweet thanks to the matcha. Do you know that for the overseas Chinese living in Western countries, the highest compliment we usually can give to a dessert is not that sweet. Anyway, I do love the combo of matcha and soy milk, but that pie is almost entirely sugar and oil, which I definitely won't eat, right? So I spent some time developing a substitute for that. And that is this matcha soy milk ice cream crusty sandwich I'm showing today. The main ingredient is this. Remember this? It's that soy protein powder I filmed in the former video. This one I got, the flavor happens to be matcha latte. And remember I said there are two problems with soy protein shakes. One is that no matter what flavors you buy, they all taste heavily like soy milk, and the other is that they are too thick, it's more like a congee than a drink. Well, those two shortcomings are actually what make this recipe good. Okay, let's get started. This recipe is super easy and super fast. We need 1 scoop of that matcha latte soy protein powder. This is usually around 35 grams. Then we add 100 milliliters of cold whole milk. If you want to go fully vegan, use soy milk. 100 milliliters is around 3.5 ounces, by the way. Then stir. After thoroughly mixed, they will turn into this texture like soft ice cream, but no need to be frozen. Quite nice to use as a spread or fillings. And here I have prepared a normal size croissant. Croissant is not as unhealthy as many people think, you know? Yeah, it has a lot of butter in the recipe, but the majority of its mass is air. So the overall calories of a normal size croissant is not that much higher than a baguette slice of the same size. But the croissant makes you much more satisfied, right? So, if you use it to make something that is overall wholesome and healthy, and get satisfied in one shot, you end up eating less unhealthy snacks after, and your diet becomes healthier and you get a better mood. So, I now sometimes buy some croissants when I crave them, then make sandwiches with them. Some savory, some sweet. Okay, here is the crusty ice cream sandwich of today. Some matcha soy milk ice cream that you can enjoy on the room temperature. Remember to use cold milk for the best result. Now, time for the nutrition facts. The total calories of this sandwich is around 460 kcals. There are around 37.5 grams of protein, 17.5 grams of fat, 37.5 grams of carbs, and 356.5 milligrams of sodium. This sandwich fights hunger really well. I now sometimes just eat one of these for breakfast or a quick dinner, and that's enough. And the best thing to pair with it, I think, is a cup of hot Americano. I'm filming this part at night, so I'm using decaf, but that's not important. Now, a perfect quick meal is done. And that is the recipe of today. If you find it useful, if you like it, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching, I'll see you in the next episode. And happy cooking, take care.